Hello guys, so I just made a small update of the basic pack and I added the PBR Master Material, so you can find it up here in the Masters. There is the Master PBR, this one, and you have also through the three examples, the floor, sand and stones. So let's check it out. When you open it, it's all prepared for you, so you can work with the textures from the online banks like the textures.com and so on, and you can use it in here if you work with albedo, metallic, specular and so on. You can also choose if you want to use the texture or not, so then you can work only with the value. So if you have the texture, you can just load it here. If you do not have texture, you can work with single scalar parameter. And this works for all the parameters, so if I want to use the specular or not, you can just switch it up here. You can also work with the minimum and maximum value based on your texture and control the contrast of your black and white texture. There is also emissive, the normal and the normal intensity, the height map, which is based on the word position offset, and the ambient occlusion. The best thing about this is also prepared UV and the word UV. So now when I place some object here, let's say the cube, and I will apply this texture up here, you see when I scale the object, it's also scaling the UV. But when I check the word UV here, the scale is based on the word UV, and so now when I scale the object itself, the scale of the texture is same. I can control it up here, but this function is great if you have wrong UV or you want to scale the object and keep the size of the texture. So this is pretty good. You can find it in the PBR material and also as a function, so you can use it in your own materials. Yes, so that's the last update in this pack. Thank you.